Turn to page 94 in the book Beginning Drawing Atelier. Tracing a cup or using a compass, make a circle that aligns with the completed sphere shown on the left, using a ruler if you need to. Within the circle, draw the outline of the shape of the shadow. In this case, the shadow forms the shape of a crescent moon. Using a few lines is better than one continuous line. It's more likely to have character and to be more carefully observed. Next, draw the ellipse on the tabletop using short, halting lines so that you can draw it with control. Notice how the ends of the ellipse are rounded like an egg, not pointy like the sharp end of an almond. Start by lightly shading the shadow shapes using light, even strokes. Don't put pressure on your pencil to try to go dark right away. Rather, lightly allow the pencil to make marks by using its own weight. We're aiming for a silvery richness of tone. Build up the value using multiple passes of graphite that wash over the surface. Starting with a harder pencil, place the first layer of tone. Then you can switch to a softer pencil as you need it. Have the patience to work slowly rather than going in for a quick finish. Now we start rendering the flat, even value of the shadow shape which is cast upon the ground plane. The shadow can get lighter and softer as it reaches the far end of the ellipse. This is called a penumbra. Begin to render the background, going about it with the same careful building of value that you used to create the sphere itself. You can keep this value light or go dark, and make this as unfinished or finished as you wish. Now we're at the third stage of the drawing where we concentrate on making the sphere appear as round as possible. This happens by creating halftone gradations that link the shape of our shadow with the light. This smoky tone begins dark as you start rendering by the edge of the shadow and increases in lightness as you move towards a highlight. You arc as you render around the imagined swelling of the sphere. Work sequentially across the form one area at a time in bands that wrap around the form from dark to light until all the unfinished areas of the sphere are filled in. Notice the pencil moves in small circular motions at times. It's better to go lightly and slowly rather than dark all at once. It's these halftones that make our flat circle feel like a rounded sphere.